I started the group, a Parkinson's group, elsewhere, and it didn't grow very much. So when I came here, I suggested it to Mary, and she said, yes! Hopefully it's making a huge difference in their lives. I love it.
The buoyancy of the water allows me to have range of motion that I would never have on land. In the water, I can do the walking motion, I can do the scissor kicks, I can draw circles with them, and it's just a literally liberating feeling to be able to have that range of motion again.
So far, I think it's just helped in stability so that I can keep going. It's given me a little bit more strength. Every week is different, so we've been working on different areas, and that's awesome.
Everybody kind of encourages each other and helps each other. Nobody cares what anybody else's issue is or isn't. It's like we're all there to hopefully improve things that are affecting us and doing the best we can to make that happen.
Even if you aren't a swimmer, that doesn't make any difference. We are a team in there, and we really encourage each other. We have a lot of fun. Just introduce yourself to one of us, and we'll get you in the water.